you're behaving as if you're sitting in the BJP office. Very tentative, quiet. You're sitting in the Congress office, please feel free, relaxed. You know? Yeah, I prefer this laughter and all going on. It's nicer. Go ahead.
नमस्कार साथियों, आज इस विशेष पत्रकार वार्ता में आप सबका स्वागत है। माननीय राहुल गांधी जी एक अत्यंत गंभीर विषय को जिस प्रकार से सत्याग्रही किसानों के ऊपर षड्यंत्रकारी तरीके से हमला किया जा रहा है, उसको लेकर अपनी बात, देश की बात आपसे साझा करने के लिए आपके बीच उपस्थित हैं। मैं उन्हें अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो अपनी बात आपको कहेंगे।
Namaskar. Good afternoon. All of us are aware of what is going on with regards to the farmers' protest. And I just want to make a couple of things clear to the younger people, men and women of this country. It's important that you understand what these three laws are. So I'm going to repeat it. The first law destroys the mandi system, destroys the agricultural markets of this country. The second law allows unlimited storage of grain and other materials and will make it practically impossible for our farmers to negotiate their prices. And the third law basically says that if the farmers have a grievance, they cannot go to court. Now, it is very obvious why the farmers are agitated. Because the government is destroying the livelihoods of India's farmers. It is destroying the livelihoods of our labor, and it is going to give the middle class a shock in the coming times because the prices of food are going to skyrocket. Now, what is being done to the farmers is absolutely criminal. You're beating them, you're threatening them, you're bullying them, you're trying to discredit them. The government needs to talk to the farmers. It needs to give a solution to the farmers. And the only solution, as I have said again and again and again, is repealing these laws and putting the laws into the waste paper basket. The government must not think that the farmers are going to go home. They are not going to go home. And my concern is that this situation is going to spread. We do not need this situation to spread. We need a conversation with the farmers and we need a solution. So that is broadly what I wanted to say. हिंदी में बता देता हूं और देश के युवाओं को मैं कहना चाहता हूं, ये जो 3 कानून हैं, इनको समझने की जरूरत है। पहला कानून है जो हिंदुस्तान के मंडी सिस्टम को, एग्रीकल्चरल मार्केट्स को खत्म कर देगा, नष्ट कर देगा। दूसरा कानून है जिससे हिंदुस्तान के सबसे बड़े बिजनेसमैन, 3, 4, 5 बिजनेसमैन जितना भी अनाज स्टोर करना चाहते हैं, जितना भी अनाज होल्ड करना चाहते हैं, लाखों टन वो कर सकते हैं। अगर इनको यह इजाजत दी गई, किसान दाम नेगोशिएट नहीं कर पाएगा। और तीसरा कानून, सबसे अजीब कानून, कि किसान अपनी कठिनाई को कोर्ट नहीं ले जा सकता। ये 3 कानून के लिए किसान दिल्ली के बाहर खड़े हैं और सरकार इनसे बात करने के बजाय सिचुएशन को